Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notifications not showing on lock screen. So go to your phone settings, then scroll down and go to apps, then look for Messenger and open it, then tap on notifications and enable allow notifications. Turn on lock screen, notification center, and also banners. Next, go to Messenger, click on menu at the bottom right, then go to settings, then scroll down and select notifications and sounds. Make sure do not disturb is turned off and also make sure notifications at the bottom is turned on and not muted. Next, you can also check if Messenger is updated. So go to App Store or Play Store and search for Messenger. Open Messenger and install the latest version. So if you see an update button in here, just click on that and it will install the latest version. Then open Messenger again and see if that solves the issue.